In today's video, I'm going to replace this standard single shower head with this Kohler 3-in-1 multifunction shower combo kit. I bought this at Costco in the summer of 2024, and it was on sale. I believe I paid $80 Canadian. Let's find out what we got in the box. In the box we have the upper shower head, lower shower head, this coil, a little bit of plumber's tape, and the instructions, which is really just a piece of paper with some pictures showing us how to set this up. I'll just show you that everything is working currently for this standard shower head. Our instructions show us a picture of an adjustable wrench to install the new shower head. I'm more of a fan of a set of vice grips. I'll put a link down below to using vice grips just in case you're interested. Remove the old shower head. We may not need the vice grips. This has only been on here for a couple of years. I'm going to use an old toothbrush to remove the old plumber's tape here, and we'll put some new plumber's tape on there, which I think I mentioned was included with our little kit. Now our pictorial instructions tell us to put the top large shower head on. You'll see there's a rubber gasket in there. Just kind of push in on that, make sure it's seated. You can see that's seated there. Hopefully you saw that I didn't really tighten this up very much. I think this is only plastic, and there's plumber's tape, so there's probably not going to be a leak. If there is a leak up here, we'll look after we install it, and I'll tighten it up a little bit more. But this does not look particularly rugged, and it really doesn't have to be, right? Now I'm going to install this coil for the smaller and lower shower head. Hopefully you can see this. The instructions don't show us using plumber's tape, and there's gaskets in both of these. So I'm just going to install it Again, if there's a leak, I'll put some plumber's tape on it. But our instructions did not show plumber's tape there. Again, I'm not going to get too aggressive. This looks like a plastic fitting on the bottom of here. So, and then we shall install that. Apparently, oh, that's magnetic. Too cool. I just tried the settings on here, so we turn the water on, put it to the shower, and notice it's coming out of the lower, the smaller one here. This, hopefully this button, you'll see this button here. If I turn this up, like that, it's kind of going between both shower heads now. You can see if that comes out. So that's both shower heads, and then if I turn it again, one more up, it's only the top shower. So let's make it to both shower heads again here. And get myself drenched here. Okay, so and now this shower head here has a stream function on it. So if you can see that button there, if we go like this, I'm gonna see, it comes out there like that. And then there's another setting on it. I'm gonna get myself drenched here. This button here, if you turn this, that just changes the different streams on the lower shower head. So I think you got the idea of the functionality of it. And if we turn it down one, top shower head's not working at all, and it's all in the lower one. And I am going to turn off the water before I get drenched. Anyway, hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for watching.